Here is Greenfinity, a smart system that lets you grow your favorite herbs and other plants infinitely. Greenfinity was developed to enable everyone to grow cuttings at home with no fuss or muss. Greenfinity accommodates all sorts of plants, green plants, flowering plants, and herbs. Pot your favorite plant. Make some cuttings. Watch them grow. Plant them. And grow another plant, and another, and another. Greenfinity Pot is produced with noble and natural materials such as glass and terracotta. The self-watering system of water tank and wicks constantly adapts to the plant's needs. Greenfinity, plant forever.